Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into WordPress REST API with 404. Where you are a developer or WordPress lover, this guide will help you to troubleshoot and fix issue with your REST API. Let's get started. In the last video, we will discuss about REST API debugging thing, and in that part, one major issue is 404. So today we will discuss about WordPress REST API not working, and here is how to fix 404 errors. So in the if we talk check endpoint and ensure resource exist. So for check endpoint, go to your site and wp-json v2 post 123. So suppose I am at here. Okay, now uh, now I am checking 1 minute. Hello. Then go to your site and wp-json and then version v2 post 123. Now I am checking with my site, this one. Nowadays REST API is mainly used. There are lots of area where we are using REST API, and nowadays headless CMS is very oftenly used. So if we check at here, then it is 404 and it is not exist. So for check also, in the admin, go to admin and you can check also. This post exists or not. Okay, this post is not exist, and okay, it is going anywhere. So if it is exist, then it will come at here, like in this id, but it is not exist, so it is giving this rest post invalid id error. And in the case 2, custom post type not registered, like we are talking about product, and check register post type with this code exist or not. So in rest true or not. If it is true, then it will show in the WP REST API, like for all check all REST API, you can check simple wp-json link all API are here. Okay, it is all API are here, and you can also check all data regarding REST API. Okay, no, all like post or get or all data, and I will show in the next video in which documentation for REST API also available, so you can check for that also. Now in the third 404 issue is permalink structure not updated, means old permalink is means we are getting uh, this WPSN with no output. So for that time, go to settings and go to permalink, and it will be pretty link, means post name etc, so that it will be accessible for as a permalink but as a REST API. like if this is plain URL plain permalink, then our WPJSON is coming as not found, so it will be simple post name or other, and then save changes, then check WPJSON again. Now it is coming properly, I think. Yeah, it is coming fine, so means it is enabled now. Now missing REST API support for custom taxonomy, it is also same so in REST must be added while register post type will be there, register taxonomy will be there. Okay, we are talking about missing REST API support for custom taxonomy. So like sometime custom taxonomy also not support REST API, means at here these custom post type is taxonomy was not showing, means 404 was there. So for that time you can add REST API true when registering taxonomy, or in the sixth step, incorrect namespace or root. So like sometime when we register REST root, so at that time also check, means properly check this root is exist or not. Means suppose we are accessing one root like like this one, and also sorry, this one v1 version 1, and at here we are accessing data. Now we are talking about incorrect namespace or root. So in this we were accessing for this namespace, but this namespace is not, no root was founding. So if this issue was coming, then go to your child theme function.php and add code, uh, code for rest root with method etc, so that you can get uh, proper output for this REST API. Many times 404 issue was coming is coming also due to plugin conflict or theme conflict. So fix this issue, disable plugin one by one, and then check REST API working or not, and if it is working, then activate that activate uh, uh, means if suppose due to plugin conflict this issue is coming 404, then disable all plugin on the staging environment and then activate one by one, and then check uh, this WP-JSON is working or not, means this WP-JSON is working or not. If working, then fine, and then this that specific plugin is main culprit for that. Otherwise activate again another plugin, means another plugin, then check again this API root WP-JSON root. So we can also check conflict for this type of issue. Sometime htaccess also misconfiguration also in htaccess. So for that this code will be in the htaccess default htaccess part must be there. And sometime REST API also disabled by filter, means we are using many plugin and some plugin disabled by a code add filter rest enabled and then return false. So you can also find this method via inside your files and check it is exist or not. If it is exist, then remove this code, and you can also add filter rest enabled and return true, and with some like 199 priority, so that it will be override to other add-on priority. And many time we are using like incorrect STTP method, like use correct method, like we are using get post delete based on API registration, but we are trying to using post instead of get to retrieve post. Means for retrieve post we can use get, but we are using post, so it is not give proper answer. So always use proper method. Now in this video we discuss about 10 points regarding 404 of REST API, and that's all from me, guys. And now you know how to debug REST API with 404 in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Drop your question on or experience with debugging in comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.